Today I'm going to be making smoothies. Actually, one smoothie. Strawberries, pineapple. Ooh. I don't really know how much I'm adding in. I'm just kind of, I don't know. We'll see. And then to top it off, I'm gonna put lemon in it too. One of these days, I actually am gonna accidentally like cut a finger off. Okay. Oh. I forgot about seeds. The lemon. I was just gonna juice it in, but. Guess I'll just have to use my fingers. Hopefully I don't have any cuts on my hand. Haha. Still the shot. I'm just too tall for this, and my camera stand just can't handle it. Tripod. Oh man, I can't do English today. Okay, maybe if I just... This is not planned very well. Okay. You guys can't see that, can you? Oh, there's a blade too. I can't get. Okay, hold on. I'll just get like a spoon or something. Victorious. Okay. Maybe this isn't such a good idea. I'll just put it into the little paper napkin because I don't want to get the counters dirty. Here. See? There's something on the spoon. Do you see that? It's like brown. Yeah. Well, that's fun to know right after you use it. Got it again. Okay. Well, I already used a dirty spoon, so working out great. Oh, it smells a little gross. Ooh. Now some of you might be thinking, Cheyenne, it's gonna be all sour because you just wrecked it. No, I'm gonna be putting some water in it. I don't really know how much I should put in though. Here. I'll put it in a cup so you guys can see. I don't know how much water this is, honestly. Fourth cup? What do you think? I don't know. Fourth, third, half, one. Doesn't really matter because it's just going to my smoothie anyway. Okay. Let's do this. Ugh. My hands are like all sticky. I don't like being sticky. But really, who does? It's just not a preference of mine. Like if somebody asked me, would you rather be sticky or itchy all the time? I'd rather be itchy all the time because I grew up with eczema. But don't feel bad because it went away. I mean, it just kind of vanished over time. Lucky me. Okay, enough being annoying. Oh, it's kind of like a slushy. Not really the consistency I was looking for. See? It's kind of like... It's so watery. Oh! I have some yogurt. Okay. It's ASMR. Yeah, it's just kind of dripping in there. I'll put this much in and see if it's good. I just remembered that there's lemon in this, so it could cause it to curdle. I hope I don't get sick from this. All of a sudden, this kind of just tastes bad. What am I doing with my hand? Should I go all the way to the top? I'm going to the top. Ooh, that was perfect pouring. Oh, I got my hair in my drink. Seeds. I mean, if you're into sour stuff, this is pretty good. This took me like 20 minutes to make.